Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix the pending delivery confirmation issue on DHgate. So stick around till the end and follow each step closely to avoid any mistakes. Let's dive right in. First, open up a web browser and head over to dhgate.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Now from your main dashboard, hover your mouse over My Orders and click on it. Here you will see a list of all your orders. If you have received your item, you will see an option to confirm delivery. Confirming tells DHgate that you have received the product, allowing the seller to receive payment. But what if you accidentally confirm delivery before your item actually arrives? Don't worry, here's what you can do. If you have accidentally clicked confirm, just reach out directly to the seller and let them know what happened. Explain that it was a mistake, and they should understand. DHgate's system makes cancelling a confirmed order tricky, but your item will still be on its way to you. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.